They are powerful, easy to carry. These gadgets make loud noises to scare off threats, perfect for kids, adults, and seniors alike. These keychains fit in your pocket or bag. Many come with LED lights, helpful in dark places. Best personal alarm keychains. Protect yourself with top-rated safety gadgets. List number 20 dB Personal Alarm Keychain for Child. Feel safe and secure with the 120 dB Personal Alarm Keychain. Designed for children and women, it's a reliable safety companion. The alarm reaches an impressive 120 decibels, ensuring attention when needed most. USB rechargeable, it features a long-lasting lithium battery for continuous use. Its easy snap-on design makes attaching it to bags or keys effortless, compact and lightweight. This self-defense device is perfect for daily use. Advantages: ensures safety with a loud 120 dB alarm, easily heard by others. Quick and simple charging with a USB rechargeable lithium battery. Lightweight design offers easy portability. Fits seamlessly on keychains. List number: Portable Alarm Song. 130 dB alarm keychain with LED flashlight for women, girl, kid, elderly, outdoor. Equipped with an LED flashlight, it brightens dark paths, perfect for women, kids, and the elderly during outdoor activities. Compact design fits easily in bags or pockets. A reliable companion for peace of mind. Advantages: stay safe with loud 130 dB alarm, alerts others instantly. Compact design fits easily on keychains. Always ready to use. LED flashlight helps in dark spaces. Lights up paths. List 3. Personal alarms for women. 120 dB emergency security alarm keychain for kids. This compact device provides peace of mind with its loud alarm. Easily heard in emergencies. Its colorful design makes it fun and practical to carry. Attach it to your keys or bag for easy access. Simple to use, ensuring everyone can feel secure. Advantages: loud 120 dB alarm, deters potential threats and attackers instantly. Compact keychain design ensures easy access during emergencies. Ideal for women, kids, and elders needing extra security. Variety of colors adds a personal touch to safety gear. List number 4. XYWHPGV Personal Alarm 120 dB Keychain Personal Security. Stay safe with the XYWHPGV Personal Alarm. This compact keychain emits a loud 120 dB alert. Easy to use and carry. The vibrant pink color adds a stylish touch. Comes in a convenient pack of 2. Perfect for peace of mind wherever you go. Advantages: compact design fits easily on keychains or in pockets. Emits a loud 120 dB alarm for immediate attention. Simple activation ensures quick response in emergencies.